You can get some plastic ones, but those are wooden with a plastic face, kind of like the Brio stuff.
Yeah, I have the plastic ones.
Well, they were in the same aisle as the...
Whoa, Lindsay, look.
But we have to put Herky in the hanger because I'm afraid his rotors are going to break. They will break, but so far he hasn't broken them. Good.
Lindsay.
The pig is squealing wee, the pony's snorting nay 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 because you're finally 3.
I can't catch the picture of that. She kept moving.
This is from Grampy and Granny. Oh, and you can color on it. What's in there? There was an outfit in there.
There was a dress. It's hanging. Victoria hung it up.
She took it away.
We can't open everything. Let's see what else there is. We're going to put it right here with Wallet and Pocket. Another one.
We don't throw things off yet.
That's white.
Oh my goodness, Lindsay, it's a nice dress. And a hat.
That is so exciting.
Put that hat on.
Yeah.
Put your hat on. Let's model it.
She still doesn't like hats.
Oh, Noah? Woohoo!
And I'm trying to open the
You know what? Julie's kids always wear hats so well.
I need to get him to wear it because his scalp is going to burn.
For a very special girl. Oh, look at that picture. Uncle Darren, Aunt Ray, Esther, and Elena.
Eston.
Esther and Elena.
Oh, look, it's a picture. Who's in the picture, Lindsay?
We have more. Dad's printer is just printing weird, so it looked like Victoria and Lindsay were possessed.
This is a
The color was washing out, and like parts of their hair would be bright red. And so I've got to get him to email it to our email.
That's going to be very cute of you. Thank you, Uncle Darren and Aunt Ray.
Ooh, I'm cool. Where did that Geo's bag go?
You guys, you know what?
Hey, Victoria, that might blow off of the banister.
I think it was at the table here, the deals bag.
Yeah, it was right here. And it just...
I get it.
I'm going to save this.
I think it is. There it is.
Here's the last present.
Here's the last present. This one's from Grandma. And Papa.
Yeah, I can see it's from you guys because it's got a deal.
What?
Deal.
I got you. In the deals bag. Oh my goodness, it's a purse. Woohoo!
A
purse.
A big cake purse.
Woohoo!
You can carry Oscar around in there. Beautiful. Look how pretty that is.
That'll go with your new dress. Hey, Lindsay, can you tell everybody thank you? Say thank you, everybody.
But it doesn't have batteries. What? It doesn't have batteries. Because it usually opens when you push that, but it usually...
Everybody, real loud. Real loud.
And Grandpa comes out on the front.
Happy birthday, Lindsay.
Thank you, everybody.
Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming.
Yeah, I know.
Go swimming now. I'm going to help take the picture. Help take the...
Don't lose that picture. I want to keep that picture.
She got it for her birthday. That's my new I'm going to put it with her.
My goodness.
See the wooden one.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Lindsay, you're holding the wrong end, honey. She's a little too little.
Come here, Lindsay. No.
Here, I'll light it for you, baby.
Okay.
You want a videotape and I'll do her? Or you want to help her?
All right, come here, Lindsay.
Come here, get away from people when you do that.
Watch
You gotta
out.
get away from people. There you go.
The ends can burn somebody very badly.
Lindsay needs to go. Oh.
There you go, Lindsay.
Wait,
Careful
move your
now,
handbag
that
down.
can
There you
burn
go. Hold it way down here.
Smells the smoke.
Hold it right at the tip. And then now swing it
Get
around.
another one out and light it on somebody else's.
Lindsay, what do you think? Do you like that?
are you going to put it now that it's burned out?
Oh, where are the used wires, John?
Why don't we just put them right here on the driveway?
Oh, we got a little pile right here.
Oh, okay.
Trash right here.
Lindsay, take it to Aunt Michelle.
Right here. We got a pile of trash right here.
We need to get her some shoes on.
Okay, wait a minute, Lindsay.
Hey, those are kind of short. I don't need to.
Stay back, honey.
Sorry, John, I kind of suckered you into doing all this now.
Look at that.
Wait, I've got two. Look, Judy.
So those are all
Look
bad
at
now.
wee.
Yeah.
It's getting a little.
Those are all bad ones. Here, you need a new
That's
one.
okay. Look at mine.
Lindsay, don't touch anybody with it, sweetie.
I lost one.
That's a big girl.
Oh, it came back. Oh, these.
I don't know.
And
It just came
me.
back.
I'm sort of losing.
Write your name with it, son. Write your name.
Hold it,
You put that battery on there, the camera, it's
Well, I think it was an automatic shut off because it had been on for a while.
Why would you mention that?
Part of it.
Woo! And fountains at the same time.
Hey, hey, hey!
I can't find them. Oh.
Oh, here comes some more.
Beautiful.
Boy, oh boy.
Uncle Darren bought all these himself. Over 200. I'm gonna flip too.
Yeah, that hurts.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Where's the water? You can't see it in the dark light. You can't see it in the dark light. You can't see it in the dark light.
Woo!
But the sun is too bright. You can't see the moon anymore.
Oh, this is going to be a big one.
Oh boy.
Another big one. There's another big one. See what I tell you?
You're right.
How did you know?
There was a lot of them.
Yeah, I like those sparkles.
One we cover, one you and me cover.
Yeah, let's do.
Oh my.
Oh. We're all okay.
That was a malfunction.
I'm laughing so hard I can hardly hold the cameras.
14.
awful nice for you girls to give them an unlimited budget.
Are you kidding? We came home.
Oh, my focus unfocused. Cute. I'll have to do this again.
Yeah, this is our New Orleans vacation y'all are seeing. I hope you
Okay. I can't figure out.
Well, no, we didn't do it last year because last year we were watching it on the Indian reservation.
Let's come in this way.
Okay.
That works.
Oh, something just hit the ground. Did you hear that?
They're performing very well.
You hear those pieces hitting the ground? Yeah. Or is Lindsay throwing rocks? Lindsay, stop throwing rocks! I thought it was pieces of fireworks in the ground. I'm thinking, those are sounding really big. Gosh, here we go. Yeah. I think that was the translation.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, look at that.
I hope they leaned it back.